If your short video's comment is disabled like this, it's a disadvantage in gaining audience engagement for your video, and maybe it prevents going viral your video also. So, let's learn how to enable comments on YouTube short videos from mobile. To turn on comments on your short video, first, open your YouTube app. Then, click on the profile icon on the right side at the down of the screen. Tap on the View Channel text. Now, go to the Manage Videos. Then, click the three dots of the video that want to enable comment. Tap on the Edit, and scroll down at the end. You will see the Comments section. Tap to open it. Here, you will see three options: On, Pause, and Off. Click the On. Now, tap on the left arrow icon to go back. Click on the Save button. Congratulations! You successfully turned on comments to your short. Another technique to go viral in your shorts is adding trending music to video. Watch this video for how to do it easily. Thanks for watching.